We're going to have a lot of fun today, starting with the people at Modular Home Additions. They have some great tips for us.
What are some advantages to having a modular second floor built onto my house?
Well, it's a lot of advantages. One of the biggest one is that houses are being built in an environment that's in my shop, so they are not exposed to the rain. It's done much faster than a regular houses because everything is done inside the environment, and we are not depending on the weather. So that takes a lot of time to wait. Depends on the weather, and also you can go inside to continue with interior work much faster than waiting for it to be completed on the site and stuff. Another thing is, like, you don't get in fight with the neighbors because everything is built in the shop. One day, the neighbors come home and then they have a whole new house beside their own house.
How long does it take for a modular addition to be installed?
All depends. That depends on the amount of work that is required to be done. If it's a second-story addition, it takes less. But sometimes we build a side addition, back addition, digging, excavation, stuff. It takes a little more time, but in 4 or 5 months should be everything completed back in a family bringing back in the house.
Thanks for watching the Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.